Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. In Germany, it is illegal to kill any vertebrate animal without a valid reason, such as illness or posing a danger to humans. As a result, all animal shelters in the country operate as no kill facilities. People don't want the truth, they want reassurance that fits their beliefs. In 1989, a man bought a painting for $4 at a flea market and discovered an original copy of the Declaration of Independence hidden behind it. Lizards take bigger risks when they are hungry. Most catches by Indians in international cricket. This is what rubbing your eyes looks like through an MRI scanner. The world's biggest tree fruit, the jackfruit, it can weigh over 50 kg. That's heavier than some people. The person who talks the least in a negotiation holds the most power. This is Efim Bronfman's piano after he performed Bartók's third piano concerto in Vienna. People who make you over-explain yourself are subtly controlling you. Iran has been home to settlements and civilizations dating as far back as 4000 BC. Iran is one of the four Islamic republics along Afghanistan, Mauritania, and Pakistan. Silence makes people uncomfortable, so they rush to fill it, often revealing more than they should. When a man truly loves a woman, she becomes his weakness. When a woman truly loves a man, he becomes her strength. This is called exchange of power. London's Tube is the world's most expensive public transport system. One in every seven Indians struggles with mental health issues. Scarface, the legendary lion who killed 400 hyenas, 130 rivals, battled hippos, drove out crocs, and died alone, a true king. Sleeping less than 4 hours drastically increases your risk of a car crash by over 1500%. Major Prajakta Desai, the woman who reached new heights as India's first UAV observer pilot. Horripilation is another word for getting goosebumps. This 90-year-old woman is lifting more than most youngsters. Her battle with Parkinson's will inspire you. Your brain and stomach are in constant contact with each other, which is why some emotions affect our stomachs physically, especially distress. Dr. Von Braun standing by 5 F1 engines, 1969. An international team of scientists in Australia made 2 types of diamonds within minutes inside a lab at room normal temperatures by applying high pressure on carbon, the pressure equivalent to 640 African elephants on the tip of a ballet shoe. No matter how cold it gets, gasoline will not freeze. Physicists in the US have achieved the highest temperature ever reached in a lab, 4 trillion C, hot enough to melt protons and neutrons into a soup, a computer simulation of the quark-gluon soup created after collision between 2 gold ions. The moon is 1 million times drier than the Gobi Desert. In 1994, a 73-year-old man unable to get a driver's license traveled 240 miles on a 1966 lawnmower to visit his brother who had recently suffered a stroke. Dolphins give birth with the baby coming out tail first. The calf would drown if it was the other way. Green peas will reduce your appetite as these are loaded with protein as well as fiber. Both of these promote fullness and make you consume fewer calories. Living in hot cities can make you age faster than living in cooler ones, study says. Alexander Doba kayaked solo across the Atlantic Ocean 3 times, most recently in 2017 at age of 70. He died in 2021 while climbing Kilimanjaro after reaching top, asked for a 2-minute break before posing for photo. Most of them not interested to eat ghee. Can we see some interesting facts about ghee? For reasons best known to them, many do not consume ghee or clarified butter. They tick it off as a source of cholesterol and cardiovascular diseases. Nevertheless, in Ayurveda, Indian medical system, along with Unani medical system, ghee is known for its curative powers. Ghee helps in developing strong eyesight. Regular consumption of ghee leads to strong bones and muscular system. Hair, its regular consumption helps in development of good hairline. Immunity, pure ghee helps in developing strong immunity against diseases. Digestion, a small dose of ghee helps in proper digestion. Usage. Thanks for watching.